Hello, my name is Josh Bohrn. I'm a product support specialist for Epiroc here with the Underground Division. Today we're going to be placing the lock bar into the articulation and securing it and then reinstalling it on the cabin. Remove the straps, lift the bar, place over the two knobs and secure using the pins. The machine is now safely isolated down so the machine will not move during articulating if it happens that the steering gets bumped while you're working on the machine. To remove, pull the key, remove the bar, and place back on the hook on the cab. Keep in mind here, if these straps disappear and you're driving around the mine, in the event slope change, this can rock and hit your e-stop, stopping you dead in your tracks. It's always important to secure this using the strap to prevent that from happening. Thank you, and for more information on this, please contact your local Epiroc service center or dealer.